Yo guys, what is going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. This week we're gonna clean up a pair of little mystery pliers we got at the local flea market. I think they might be Crowders, but I can't tell. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. So I say we get right into it. Well, not too bad. Rusted up quite a bit, but not too bad. Yeah, I can't read anything on these. That's crazy. But the jaws are in pretty good shape. Nice. So I can probably go a little tweak more. Nope, too much. Well, not quite sure who created this, but I was under the impression that they were Crowder with the shovel nose here, the dimple diamond handles, but there's no identifying marks. The castings on this was extremely horrendous. We had to clean those up, and I'm glad we did, but yeah, still don't know who made these. So any of you fellas out there want to take a shot at it, take a guess, let me know what you think. I think this is a generic company that was out the same time around Crowder, because I do have a pair of Crowder Victors. This is the Crowder Victor screwdriver. Look how pronounced the dimple diamond is. I mean, that's nice. The casting is beautiful. There's not a single blemish. There's nothing. So this is the vintage Crowder Victor, and I think this is a competitor company that tried to cash in on Crowder's success, and they came up with this crap. So if you guys would know, throw it in the comment section, please. I would truly appreciate it. Like always, guys, stay safe, be safe. See you next week with another video. Bye.